Psalm 51 verse 10, Create in me a pure heart, O God, and renew a steadfast spirit within me. Isaiah 43 verses 18 to 19, Forget the former things, do not dwell on the past. See, I am doing a new thing. Now it springs up, do you not perceive it? Lamentations 3 verses 22 to 23, Because of the Lord's great love we are not consumed, for his compassions never fail. They are new every morning, great is your faithfulness. 2 Corinthians 5 verse 17, Therefore, if anyone is in Christ, the new creation has come, the old has gone, the new is here. Psalm 40 verse 3, He put a new song in my mouth, I am of praise to our God. Many will see and fear the Lord and put their trust in him. Philippians 3 verses 13 to 14, Forgetting what is behind and straining toward what is ahead, I press on toward the goal to win the prize for which God has called me heavenward in Christ Jesus. Isaiah 61 verse 3, To bestow on them a crown of beauty instead of ashes, the oil of joy instead of mourning, and a garment of praise instead of a spirit of despair. Psalm 34 verse 18, The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. Romans 12 verse 2, Do not conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Jeremiah 29 verse 11, For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.